So I want to show you the new Import SketchUp file as a reference feature. So this is me looking for the SketchUp file. I'm going to load one called December 2. It's going to start loading and converting, and voila, there you go. So it loads up as a complete object that you can't move the individual props, but what you can use this for is to be able to see and position your props over it as a reference. So I'm just gonna try and recreate and put a USB SA target here and drag it all the way to the end, and then I'm going to look for the wall medium color here and drop it down and drag it over to some of these walls and clone it and then move it across. And then this is the process I use for all the other props, and then voila, you have your new stage.